Basically, this is my kitchen. Now, after my mum died, I inherited a slow cooker. Well, amongst a few other things, but amongst a few things was a slow cooker. And I discovered the joy of making slow cooker chili. I've heated a tablespoon of oil in a pan and I'm going to add in 1 large chopped onion, 1 chopped red capsicum pepper, and a small red chilli that I've cut up and deseeded. Stir these around for a little bit, just for a minute or two. After a couple of minutes, add in 450 grams of minced meat. This happens to be minced beef and pork, but you could use minced beef. And cook until the meat is brown. The meat's all nicely browned and broken up now, so I can turn off the heat. Now I've got some herbs and spices here. You can find the list in the description to the video, but basically it's oregano, smoked paprika, cumin, coriander, chili powder and some ancho chili powder. Ancho chili is a very mild chili, but it gives a wonderful smoky flavour. I get mine off the internet. So now I'll add those herbs and spices into the meat, onion and pepper mix and mix well. Now transfer the mixture to the slow cooker. Just a quick word about my slow cooker. It has 3 heat settings, high, medium and low, and it's a 3.5 litre jobby. Now I'll add in 2 crushed cloves of garlic, 4 tablespoons of tomato paste and a teaspoon of chipotle paste. Chipotle is another one of those lovely chilies that gives a really smoky flavour. Then mix well. Next I've got a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of finely ground black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of dark brown sugar. I'll add those into the mix, sprinkle on 3 tablespoons of plain flour and stir well again. Now add 150 ml of beef stock, a tin of chopped tomatoes, a drained can of kidney beans, about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and a couple of bay leaves, and mix well. When it's all nicely mixed, you can pop on the lid, and I like to cook mine on low setting for about 8 hours. Or if you're in a bit of a hurry with your slow cooker, you can always do it on high for about 4 hours. If you can be bothered, give it a stir every couple of hours or so. Doesn't really matter. This has been cooking for about 8 hours now and it looks and smells tremendous. Sometimes we eat this with rice, other times we eat it with grated cheese. So why do I think this is the best slow cooker chili recipe in the world? Well, in my world, it's definitely the best recipe, and until somebody gives me a recipe that's even better, it's going to stay the best recipe. Join me next time in my busy kitchen with me, Tiddly Ni Ha. Until next time, Goedenavond.